5 things that I think are worth your money, 30 edition naman to. First is physical therapy. So kung active lifestyle yung ginagawa mo, you have to have a good clinic or find a clinic that is good in physical therapy. Second is ergonomic chair. So ito yung mga nasa palaging office workers. Kung pangit yung chair mo, it's time na mag-invest ka kasi balang araw, ikaw rin sisingilin ng likod mo. 3, quality pillow. So of course, we have to have a good sleep. If natutulog ka tapos pangit yung unan mo, therefore, your neck will suffer. 4, good shoes. So kung palagi kang nakatayo, naglalakad because that's your type of work, better mag-invest ka sa magandang sapatos. When I say magandang sapatos, hindi yung mamahalin ha, but the comfort one. 5, stretching equipment. So kung halimbawa nasa bahay ka lang, ayaw mag-gym, so better to have some TheraBand or some mga maliliit na dumbbells just for you to have, a little bit of stretching from time to time para hindi ka palaging nakaupo lang o nag-Netflix lang.